In this video, let's learn how to remove suggested for you on Facebook. Suggested for yous are pages being suggested to you. So as you can see, this is what a suggested page looks like. It says suggested for you, and all of these pages are being suggested based upon your interactions that you made on Facebook. Now there is no permanent way of removing them, but however, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can try out. Now, for example, if you see a post that you don't like at all, you can choose to remove that particular post by tapping on the three dots on the top right, and you can tap on hide post. This way the post will be removed and hidden. Now, other than this, if you come across some suggested post that you do like, you can just tap on the three dots again and tap on show more. You can tap on show more, and then you can also interact and give a reaction or comment or do something to interact with the post and the page. This way the algorithm of Facebook will start to show you more of these kind of posts. And similarly, if you don't like a certain post, you can tap on the three dots again and tap on show fewer. Now if you repeat this most of the times that you see these kind of posts, you'll slowly start to see that these suggested pages will be those content or those pages that you're interested in. So that is the only thing that you can do, and there's no option of completely removing the suggested posts that you regularly see when you scroll down your feed on Facebook. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more tutorial videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.